Hi, I'm Rachel from Thrive Financial.
And I'm Tony Smith from Eternal Law.
If you're part of a blended family, you'll know how rewarding it can be. But when it comes to money, super, and inheritances, it can also get complicated.
And unfortunately, those complications are exactly why estate or inheritance disputes involving blended families are not only one of the most common cases that end up before the Queensland courts, but are often the most emotionally charged and legally complex cases the courts need to deal with. The good news is, with the right planning, most of those disputes can be avoided.
That's why Tony and I are teaming up for a special live workshop. Blended families, estate planning that works without the drama.
In this session, we'll share both the financial and the legal tools that you can put in place to best protect your legacy and to take care of your family fairly.
We'll talk about strategies to avoid tax traps, ways to structure your estate plan, which includes your will to reduce conflict, and practical tips for having those difficult but important conversations with your partner.
It's a free 60-minute workshop, and it could save your family from years of stress and heartache down the track.
Click below to register and join us live. We'd love to see you there.